Stick-figure comedy animation videos are overtaking the internet right now, and you've definitely seen them. These simple, funny little stick-figure animations are recreating viral stand-up comedy moments and absolutely dominating YouTube and TikTok. One of the biggest channels out there, Sticky the Great, is pulling in millions of views, all from recreating comedy clips that already exist. At first I thought, okay, maybe it's just one creator crushing it, but then I realized this is a full-blown niche. Dozens of channels are doing the same thing, and people can't get enough of it, and they're making serious money doing it. And the craziest part, it's easy, ridiculously easy. No camera, no massive editing setup. You can make these videos with a free tool in just minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do it, how to copy the same strategy these creators are using to blow up their channels right now. Before we dive in, please support our channel by subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps us keep making awesome tutorials like this one. All right, let's get started. Step 1, finding the perfect comedy clip. To get a perfect clip to turn into an animation, head over to TikTok and type in stand-up comedy. You'll find endless hilarious bits. Everything from relatable, everyday jokes to laugh until you cry moments. Watch a few clips and look for one that makes you laugh. Something short, punchy, and packed with personality. Once you find that perfect moment, copy the video link. That's the one we'll be working with next. Step 2, extracting the audio. Now that you've got your clip, it's time to grab that audio. Go to any TikTok video downloader. You can find tons with a quick Google search. Paste your video link, hit download, and choose the MP3 option. Save that MP3 somewhere easy to find, because we're going to need it in just a minute. That gives you the sound file of the comedian's voice, ready to sync up with your animation. Step 3, creating your animated comedy. Here's where the magic happens. Go to Adobe Express Animation. Just search that phrase on Google and click the first link. Then click on Animate Characters and hit Create Now. Once you're inside, you'll see tons of character options. Pick the one that fits your vibe. You can move the character around, zoom in, zoom out, make it feel like before he performed on stage. Next, it's time to set the background. Adobe Express doesn't have a ton of built-in options, so we're going to upload our own. Step 4, designing your comedy stage. Now we're building the world your stick figure will perform in. Go to Google Images and search Cartoon Stage with Audience. You'll see a bunch of cool designs. Pick one that looks like a real comedy club and save it to your computer. Next, open Gemini. Upload that stage image and type this prompt. Add shadow figures of human beings in the seats looking at the stage. That will make your audience look more realistic and give your video that packed room feel. Once it's ready, download it. Now jump back to Adobe Express. You can resize it to fit the stage. Go to Size, select YouTube, and pick your aspect ratio. I recommend 9:16 if you're posting short-form vertical videos. Go to Background. Upload your custom stage background. And now you're set up, your character, resize it to fit the stage, and make sure the layout feels balanced. Now your character looks like a legit comedy scene. Next, hit Browse and upload the comedy audio you downloaded earlier. In just seconds, Adobe will automatically sync your character's mouth and body movements to the voice, making it look like your stick figure is actually performing. Once it's finished, save your animation clip. Every comedian needs a mic, right? So let's add one. Go to Google and search for cartoon microphone with stand for stage. Pick one you like, something that fits your character's vibe. Now it's time to bring it all together. Open CapCut, your final editing playground. Drag and drop your animation video into the timeline. Then import the microphone image. Click on the mic image, then click Remove BG and choose Auto Removal. Boom, clean cut. Resize the mic and position it perfectly in front of your character on stage. Click Caption, then click Template and Generate Caption. Once it all looks right, export your video, and that's it. You just created a professional-looking comedy animation video in minutes. No camera, no studio, no hassle. Hit play and watch your funny clip come to life. And there you go. Your very first stick figure stand-up animation is ready to post. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment telling me which comedian you're animating next. Trust me, this niche is just getting started, and the sooner you jump in, the faster you'll grow.